Let's dive into a big question. How do you lose weight safely after 65 and keep your bones strong?
For lots of older adults, losing weight is a top priority. But, well, there's a hidden danger.
Here's the deal. Losing weight can also mean losing bone mass, which makes bad fractures more likely.
So is there a way around this? A recent study, the UPLF trial, looked for an answer. They took a group of older adults and put them on an 18-month weight loss and exercise plan.
The participants were split into 3 groups, and each one got a different amount of protein.
And get this, they weren't just looking at bone density. They measured overall bone strength.
Okay, so 6 months in, did that extra protein actually do anything? Let's check out the data.
Wow, the results at 6 months were pretty striking. You can see a huge difference here.
It turns out the group that got high protein for the whole 18 months saw the biggest benefits.
They saw a 3.8% increase in bone strength. The standard protein group, almost nothing.
But hold on. After the full 18 months, well, the story got a little more complicated.
Those early gains weren't quite as big later on, but the high-protein group still seemed to be doing better.
And here's where it gets really interesting. The study found a strange paradox about weight loss itself.
At 6 months, losing more weight meant stronger bones, but by 18 months, it meant more bone loss.
So what's the bottom line here? Let's break down the main takeaways from all of this.
The researchers basically concluded that, yep, in the short term, more protein was a clear win.
And that really matters. That early boost in strength could be what helps prevent a serious fracture from a fall. So it leaves us with this question. When you focus on the scale, are you remembering to focus on your bones too?